Hello and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Casper. It's short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, we have come down to about 3.5 cents. I made my buys in the 4-cent range. There really isn't a difference buying between 3 to 4 cents. You might gain a little more coins, but there's not too much of a difference. And right now we have gone sideways between 3.3 cents and 3.5 cents. And it looks to be that we are making some type of bullish flag. And to measure the upside potential, take this swing low up to this high, and you're looking at about a 22% move. Now when it gains support up there, up to higher targets to as high as 5.2 cents, and should see somewhat of a correction. And then after that correction, say draw it out. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it should look something like that. Still have the pen on. And yeah, if you do go lower, your downside targets are 3.2 cents and 2.9 cents. And if we break 2.9 cents, going all the way back down to 2.5 cents. So I'd make your buys very, I wouldn't buy too much just in case it goes lower. You want to have some fiat for that lower range. Now if it doesn't and you start to see it pick up, start to do this, and you can buy those dips as it goes up. So say, yeah, we do come up to this range at about 4 cents, and then come back down to 3.5 cents, pretty much where we're at. Yep. Let's see. I can't move my cursor. I got the pen on. But it should make 5 waves up and then 3 waves down. Oops. So Should look something like that. It might not get back up to these highs right away. That's why you must see 5 waves up and 3 waves down to look for a potential bounce. And yes, the long-term targets are still the same, $1 to as high as $3 in the spring of 2025. There we go. All the way up to $1. It's about a 26x. And your end of 2025 targets could be as high as $4 to $5. And that is over 100x from where it's at right now. It's 130x. But I wouldn't be looking for those targets in the spring of 2025. It's most likely only going to go to about a little over $1. $1.30 is major resistance, and there was a lot of former volume in that range. This wick right here, which was May of 2021, Casper went all the way up to as high as $67 on some exchanges. Now on on TradingView, it went as high as $30. Oops. Oh yeah, there it is. $30. $30. I'll show you where that volume, or a lot of that volume was. On Coinbase, they have it it says $1.35 was the all-time high for Casper. So that's right around here. But yeah, $1.35 to as high as $3 is your spring of 2025 targets. So a 30 to 100x potential. Like I said, it doesn't really matter if you buy at 5 cents is a little high. I mean, if you can buy in the 4-cent range, that's pretty good. But there really isn't any difference buying between 3 to 4 cents. Buying at 5 cents, yeah, that's a little high, but in the long-term picture, this range is puny. We're talking about a 30 to 100x potential. And that's not even going up to its all-time high. This is just going to the base of the all-time high. I mean, you gotta zoom out. There's $30. This range is puny. You're buying the bottom of the pit. Now, you have to be careful buying in the bottom of the pit because it has its own range. If you can buy in the middle of the range to the lower part of the range, you're pretty safe. If the price is above where you bought, you did a good job buying. And if it trades at where you bought, you also did a good job. It doesn't necessarily have to trade exactly at where you bought, as long as it's within the vicinity, whether it's above where you bought or a little bit below. You want your buys to be around where the price is at the bottom of the range. I didn't go over short-term upside targets. Whoops. Oh, I kind of did. Yeah, back up to 5 cents. It's pretty much your upside target short term. But if we were to look to this coming spring, the 618 to the 0.5 fib, which is at the 0.5 fib is at 13 cents, and the 618 is at 16 cents. You're looking at about, to the 0.5 is about almost a 3x, and to 16 cents it's about a 3.5x, a little more than a 3.5x. That's what you can expect for this spring. Whoops. Well, that's all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you have a great rest of your night.